So this is the last part. We're going to be just throwing the air unit on. Usually I like to route it underneath the whole thing, but I forgot to, so next time I take this off, maybe I can just put it underneath. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Alright, so right here I'm just gonna add I'm gonna add the ESC right here. I'm using a 1000 microfarad. You can get this, dip that tip in some flux. TX, bind, micro TX, hit bind, then confirm the bind. It will go green on the back, that will go green, and then usually when you power cycle it, you should hear telemetry lost, just like that, and then you're good. Drone's plugged in. First thing I'm going to do is copy. What flight controller is this from? Shit. Then I'm going to go ahead and remap the motors. Reorder motors. Alright, so now that's saved. Now let's check and see if now one. Alright, so to bind this, you're gonna hit bind in the Lewis script. You're gonna hold the sys key, go to TVS agent light, go to. Today I'm just gonna be showing the final product creation. It came out a lot better than I thought it would. It's a Tmotor build. Super big thanks again to Tmotor for sending out these. They're the Velox V3s, best budget motor out there.